Bingo Cash says your coin balance is tied to your account. So if coins suddenly stop increasing, the first thing to check is whether the game has actually finished processing the action you just completed. By the end, you'll know what to check when Bingo Cash coins are not adding up, how to refresh the balance safely, and what information to send support if the numbers still look wrong. Start by completely closing Bingo Cash and reopening it. This forces the app to reload your account information instead of relying on the balance currently displayed on screen. After reopening the app, check your coin balance before starting another game. If the balance has updated, the issue was likely a temporary display or connection problem. If the number is still incorrect, check for an available Bingo Cash update in the App Store or Google Play. Bingo Cash recommends updating the app because updates can include improvements and new features. Install the update if one is available, then reopen Bingo Cash and check the balance again. Updating the app does not remove your account, progress, or balance. Next, check your internet connection. If the connection drops while a game or reward is being processed, the balance shown on your device may not refresh correctly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then reopen Bingo Cash. Check the coin balance again before playing another round. Also check exactly where the missing coins were supposed to come from. If the coins were connected to a completed game, reward, bonus, or another in-app action, write down what you completed and what the app displayed afterward. Take a screenshot of the current balance and the screen showing the action that should have added the coins. This gives Bingo Cash support specific information about the missing amount instead of simply reporting that your balance is wrong. Don't create another Bingo Cash account to try to recover missing coins. Your existing account contains your game information, so troubleshooting should stay on the account where the issue happened. If restarting the app, updating it, and checking your connection don't correct the balance, contact Bingo Cash support. Include your account details, the approximate time the coins failed to appear, the amount you expected to receive, and screenshots showing the problem. The key steps are simple. Restart Bingo Cash, update the app, check your connection, and document the exact transaction or reward that didn't add correctly. Your next step is to close and reopen Bingo Cash, then check the balance before playing another game. If this fixed your missing coin problem, like the video and subscribe for more Bingo Cash troubleshooting guides.